This mower showed up on my porch for free, and I'll be honest, I almost didn't test it because I mow with a zero-turn mower. But I don't like mowing this close to a retaining wall, so I figured I'd give this mower a shot. After unboxing it, putting it together, and running it through my yard a couple times, I've got some real opinions. So let's get into it. This is the Neobitat 40-volt, 18-inch self-propelled mower. In the box, you get the mower deck, the handle assembly, two 5 amp hour batteries, one rapid charger, some extra blades, and the grass catcher bag. It runs on a brushless motor, which matters. Brushless motors last longer and pull more power out of the same battery compared to the cheaper brush motors that you'll see on budget mowers. Assembly is basically tool-free. The lower handle bolts onto the deck, and the upper handle folds up and locks with two knobs, and the cable for the safety bar just clips into place. I had this together in under 10 minutes without looking at the instructions twice. No wrenches, no small parts you're going to lose in the grass. A few things worth showing you before we mow. Height adjustment is a single lever, 6 positions, cutting from about 1 inch up to just under 3 inches. When you're done, the handle folds flat for storage. This thing takes up a fraction of the space a gas mower does. If you're in a garage or a shed with limited room, that matters. Safety controls are standard for this style of motor. You depress the safety button with your thumb and squeeze the forward trigger to engage the blade. And once you let it go, it stops. Now, if you've never used a battery-powered mower before, I know what you're thinking because I have thought it too. It won't have the power. The battery won't last. It's just a toy compared to a gas mower. Well, let's talk about it. Power. Brushless motors have closed that gap. This isn't a weak electric mower from 15 years ago. Runtime. I'll show you real numbers in a second, not a manufacturer claim. In maintenance, well, there's no gas, no oil changes, no pull cord, no carburetor gumming up over the winter. That's definitely a win. Alright, let's go ahead and run it. Self-propelled drive is variable speed. You can dial it up or down. I'll be honest, even on the fastest setting, I found it a little slow for how I walk. I mow with a zero turn most of the time, and when I'm on a push mower, I tend to move fast. If you walk at a normal pace, this will probably feel right. If you walk like you're late for something, you'll want to bump the speed up. With the bag on it, it collects a clean 50-liter capacity, so I wasn't stopping every 5 minutes to empty it. Pull the bag and it mulches. Clippings broke down fine, no clumping, even with the grass that hadn't been cut in a week and a half. On a full charge with both batteries, I covered right around 5,000 square feet before I needed to swap or recharge. For a lot of standard residential yards, that's a full mow. A couple things I really liked here. The batteries charge fast and each one has a built-in USB-C port. So not only is it a lawnmower battery, but when you are not using it in the lawnmower, you can use it as a power bank for your phone or other devices. That's a smart touch that I wasn't expecting. My one gripe is you get 2 batteries but only 1 charger. So when you drain both in one mow, you're charging them one at a time instead of both at once. I'd like to have seen like a dual port charger included, especially since they clearly designed this around running 2 batteries. So here's where I land. I mow with a riding zero turn day to day, so I'm not the target buyer, but for anyone with a standard sized yard who doesn't want to deal with gas, oil, or pull cords, this makes a real case for itself. It's lightweight, noticeably easier to maneuver and load into the back of a car than any gas push mower I've used. The cut quality was clean in both bagging and mulching modes. Battery life covered a real 5,000 square foot yard without drama. My only complaints are the self-propelled top speed and the single charger, and honestly the self-propelled thing might just be me walking too fast. If you're on the fence about going battery powered for your lawn, this is a solid way to try it out without spending gas mower money. Now that's the Neobitat 40-volt lawnmower. Links in the description if you want to check it out yourself. If you've got questions about it, drop them below. I'll answer. See you in the next one.